Is your PC complaining that the Native Shim Library DLL is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. To start our guide for Native Shim Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Native Shim Library, a specialized Native Interop Shim. It facilitates the unmanaged communication between a managed .NET application core and its underlying native C++ components. It manages the memory marshalling and function pointer redirection required for cross-language execution within the same process. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The file Native Shim Library DLL is required for localized native code shim to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Native Shim library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Remember that Native Shim Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Native Shim Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Native Shim Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.